Today's video of the day is going to be awesome photos. This one's beautiful. She's so pretty. We got this one. Alright, let's find some good ones. They're all really good. It's really cool. That's Rudy Bundy. Lenormand. She taught my grandmother how to be graceful and pose. Sorry, my hand is a bit shaky. And Mary Jane Miller. She's amazing. Her picture's on the train as well. Here's another really cool thing. Cool act. Let's see. Oh, here's another cool one. Not liking that you're seeing my reflection, but all right. Let's see. That one's pretty beautiful. That's the Lyra. Let's see, who else can we showcase in today's video? We got lots. Oh, there we go. There's another one of Lenormand. And this one's really cool. Of course, I gotta get my beautiful grandmother in, as always. Miss Carla Wallenda, the daughter of Carl Wallenda. This photo is in San Juan, Puerto Rico. That's where her dad passed walking between two condominiums. We went back when I was 7 and she got her headshot done. This is a neat photo. This happened in, I believe, Paris. The train brakes went out. All right, have a great day.